Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we looked at why roti canai holds such a special place in Singapore's food culture. Now let's uncover where to find the flakiest, most delicious versions across the island. Hidden gems and local favorites. Beyond the well-known spots, Singapore has many smaller, authentic eateries where locals go for their roti canai fix. These places offer a genuine taste of local food culture. Al Azhar Restaurant, Chong Chin Noun Road. This bustling 24-hour spot in Beauty World is a favorite for late-night food. While not exclusively a prata shop, their roti canai is consistently good, especially the kopi prata with coffee powder for something different. It is a great place to experience a slice of local life. Enak Restaurant, Jurong East Street 32. Tucked away in the west, Enak is a gem known for its thin, crispy prata. Their dough is perfectly stretched, resulting in a light and airy texture. Locals often praise their dhal curry, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Expect friendly service and a relaxed atmosphere. Rahim Muslim Food, Chai Chee Road. This hawker stall might not have the same flashy reputation as larger restaurants, but it draws a steady crowd. Their roti canai is made with a slightly sweet dough, giving it a unique flavor that many enjoy. The curries are robust and flavorful, making it a complete experience. A cultural staple in Singapore. Roti canai is more than just a meal in Singapore. It is a fundamental part of the city's food culture. This simple yet versatile flatbread integrates itself into daily life, offering comfort and familiarity to people from all walks of life. Its affordability and widespread availability cement its status as a beloved dish, playing a significant role in both casual dining and social gatherings across the multinational food landscape of Singapore. Breakfast, supper, and everything in between. Have you ever wondered what Singaporeans reach for at any time of day? Often, it's roti canai. This dish seamlessly fits into various meal times, showcasing its incredible adaptability. You can find people enjoying roti canai as an early morning breakfast. A hot, fresh roti canai with a side of curry is a common way to start the day. It is quick, affordable, and satisfying. For a casual lunch. When looking for a light yet filling meal, roti canai offers a perfect solution. You can pair it with different curries or even enjoy a sweet version. As an afternoon snack, a simple plain roti canai can curb those midday hunger pangs without being too heavy. As a late-night supper, many prata shops stay open late, making roti canai a popular choice for those craving a warm meal after a long day or a night out. Its convenience and versatility make it a go-to option for any occasion. Whether you need a quick bite or a satisfying meal, roti canai delivers. The community hub of prata shops. Prata shops, as locals affectionately call eateries serving roti canai, are much more than just places to eat. They function as important community hubs. These establishments buzz with activity and are places where people gather, connect, and share meals. Imagine the scene. The clatter of plates mixes with lively conversation. The aroma of freshly cooked prata fills the air. Families share a weekend breakfast. Friends meet for a late-night chat. The atmosphere is usually relaxed and informal, inviting everyone to feel at home. These shops represent a crucial part of Singapore's social fabric. They provide spaces for everyday interactions, strengthening community bonds over shared plates of delicious roti canai. It is a testament to how food can bring people together, creating lasting memories and fostering a sense of belonging in a bustling city. Roti canai in Singapore is more than just a dish. It's a testament to simple ingredients shaped by expert hands, creating a beloved flaky flatbread. Its appeal lies in its crisp outer layers and soft, airy interior, perfectly paired with a variety of rich curries or enjoyed sweet. From traditional plain versions to inventive variations like roti telur or roti bomb, there is a roti canai for every preference and time of day. These prata shops serve as vibrant community spaces, highlighting the dish's deep cultural roots and its role in daily life, from breakfast to a late-night supper. We encourage you to visit a local stall, perhaps one of the iconic places or a hidden gem, and experience this cherished culinary tradition. Discover your own favorite, a simple yet profound delight that captures Singapore's diverse food identity. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.